come on YouTube, looking for some kind of information and end up watching like 5 YouTube videos that have nothing to do with what you came looking for. There is a reason why you would see a very strange video and want to watch it. That's the secret I'm about to share with you right now. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I was customizing my YouTube channel and I wanted some tips, to make my channel, a little bit catchy. So I stumbled upon some really basic but very useful tips to grow your YouTube channel. So stay with me and let's talk about them. Here we go. So the first thing to do to really make your channel stand out is to get your outlook right. What people see when they log onto your channel and what they see when they just randomly stumble upon any one of your videos. So basically your outlook has to do with your profile picture, your banner, and the thumbnail for each one of your videos. I cannot even begin to emphasize how important it is for you to have a catchy thumbnail for each of your videos. So I have problems with physics and I go on YouTube looking for physics lectures. Before I actually type for physics lectures on the search bar, there are some random videos that would just be presented on my screen. So now I stumble on this thumbnail that is so catchy, and I want to know what's in this video. All of a sudden I forget what I came looking for and I want to know what's in this video because I've seen the thumbnail and it's really interesting. So now you got my attention. I want to know what's in your video and then I click to watch the video. Now what? So at this point we talk about the content of your video. What is in that video? What kind of information are you trying to send across? So the outlook of your channel, gets my attention and the content of the video sustains it, okay? So I see the video, I'm interested, I watch it and I love the content. So now I want more. So I begin to check out your channel to know, what you're all about, to see all those things that you have been doing and, begin to look forward to new stuff from you. So then you understand that the outward appearance and the inner content, they go together. You don't have to focus on one and neglect the other. They have to go together. You have to strike a balance. So while I was, thinking about all of this, it just dawned on me that this sounded really familiar. And I was like, okay, where have I heard this before? Of course. I said something similar in my last video. You might want to check that out. But it had nothing to do with YouTube. So it just dawned on me that, this little rule can, be applied in so many areas of life. So guys, that's it. I just thought I should share this information with you, and so you might want to check out my other videos and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and leave a comment down below. Thank you.